Hello everyone, I am James and today's video is about setting right a power cable of any electrical device. Here this power cable is connected to a Dell monitor and it's situated in my friend's pen shop. I visited his shop and he said that his monitor is getting turned off whenever there is a slight touch to the power cable. So here you can see when I remove the power cable, among the three pins, that is phase, earthing and neutral, one of the pins it is carbonized. And before continuing, first of all remove the cable from AC mains. Now take a tool. I asked him for a tool and he gave me a bit for drill bit and wood drill bit. So just clean it, remove the carbon from the metal contacts inside the hole. There will be metal contact on both the walls of this hole. So after cleaning them, just move the metal contact, one of the metal contact towards the center of the hole. Just bring it towards the center as you can see in the video. Now after moving it, just take a blade, cut a bit of rubber from the plug as shown here in this video, small bit. Take this rubber which you have cut and insert it in between the metal contact and the wall of the hole, one of the hole. Whichever there is sparking and whichever hole there is carbon, just insert it in between the metal contact and the wall of that hole. So insert it firmly and push the metal contact backwards such that it will hold the rubber in between firmly. This rubber, it will work as a spring in between the metal contact and the wall of that particular hole. So push it backwards, push the metal contact backwards so that it will hold firmly. If it is too much in the center, then there are possibilities that the plug will not fix properly. So now connect it back into the monitor, push it firmly. After pushing it firmly, just connect the plug to the AC main socket. Now plug it in and switch it on. Now you see the monitor is on. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in repairing the power cable of your electronic device. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.